Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing a unpack and clean with me. So we just got back from vacation. I will be unpacking our suitcases and doing just trying to get the house back in order. So stay tuned for that. Little mama is down for her nap, so I'm gonna set my timer to 1 hour and try to get as much as I can done now, and then wherever the timer stops, that's where I stop and pick up back right after that. I will not be doing a lot of talking in this video either, guys, but there's also a giveaway in this video, so stay tuned for that. And if you guys are new here, my name is Terisha. I'm a mom of two little ones. I have a 4-year-old and a 1-year-old. They are my world. I'm also a wife and currently studying. Anyways, guys, let me shut up and just let y'all enjoy the video. So guys, we did stop at the farmers market and we picked up some stuff, but just because we didn't leave a ton of stuff in the refrigerator when we were leaving, just because we would be gone for a while and we didn't want stuff to go bad, so we did stop and pick up some vegetables because we've been slacking. Like, we ate really bad. I gained a ton of weight on vacation, guys, so we stopped and got some vegetables to make salad and to try and get back on track. Yeah. So guys, I ended up cleaning the night before we left, so I did a complete clean and clean the entire house before we left, and I ran the dishwasher. So these are dishes that has been sitting there. They're completely dry. I'm going to take them out and then load the dishwasher up and put some more stuff in it. So guys, to be entered in this giveaway, all you have to do is to be subscribed to my channel, like this video, leave me a comment down below and let me know which season you prefer. Is it fall or Christmas, sorry, which season you're most excited about. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Just be subscribed and like this video, and you'll have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card, and the winner will be chosen randomly and announced on this channel. I'm not sure which day, either Saturday or Tuesday, but I'll keep you posted on my community tab. But it's 2 weeks from the day this video goes live. So guys, I'm just gonna go through the refrigerator and toss whatever is spoiled in there. As I said before, we did stop at the farmer's market and got some fruit and vegetables, and I did make the salad. So that big thing, the top of thing down there is the salad I made last night. Oh, no, sorry, this morning. And then these celeries went bad, so I'm just tossing them. That's pretty. And we had some plums and peaches that went bad also. And I think that's, oh, and we got a Subway sandwich that we didn't finish, so I just tossed the other half. "17 minutes left on the clock." So guys, this is a game changer. Like, I always try to make everything easier, and I love to be organized and just make life easier, because as a busy mom and wife, and when you come from vacation, you hate unpacking and it's so stressful and stuff. So to make it easier for me, I knew I had clean and dirty clothes and I wanted to separate the two. So I just got a trash bag and I placed all the dirty clothes in the trash bag. So that's what's in that trash bag there. So I knew that everything else was all clean stuff, so I just needed to put them in place. So that's a little trick that I just randomly came up with, and it has made life so much easier, and I will forever be doing that again. Try that the next time you go on vacation. Oh, I did not mention, guys, but we stayed at Great Wolf Lodge and we had a fantastic time. They are expensive, but I think it's totally worth it, especially if you have older kids who are able to enjoy all the water slides and are able, and if your kids are swimmers, definitely worth the money and worth the stay. But our 1 year really couldn't do much, so we stayed in the pool, and we did spend a lot of time off the hotel and doing other stuff, exploring other excursion sites around the area that we stayed. So it was a fun experience. We definitely want to go again, but I think I'll like wait until like Talia is a bit older, where she'll be able to do more stuff, because even though we spent a lot of time off the hotel and doing other stuff, she wasn't able to get on any of the rides. She had to stay in a stroller, and we had to take turns in watching her. Like Tiana and Hubby would go on a ride, and then I would watch her in the stroller, and then when they were done with the ride, I would go back on the same ride with Tiana, and then Hubby would take turn and watch Julia. So she had to stay in the stroller the entire time because she was one and she couldn't go on any of the rides or do anything that we were doing. So that was a bummer, but at least we'll have the memories to show her. Video. Whew. I did not finish where I got the play area and the kitchen done, so I still have the living room, bedroom, and bathroom to do. So I'm going to end this video here. I'm going to continue cleaning now, but I have that video continue as part 2. I still got this to do, so I have this put away. Guys, I still got the living room to do, and the bedroom. Oh, the bedroom and bathroom. And the bedroom, guys, the bedroom is a mess. These are dirty clothes. Need to go to the laundry and have that done. These on the bed are clean clothes and bags and stuff that needs to put away, that I took out a suitcase, stuff that we didn't wear. Whew. So this is what the bedroom is currently looking like. I'm gonna tackle this. I'm gonna set my timer to an hour and start from there.